everyone, thank you for watching this first video. I'm Amber from Planything and I'm going to do the unboxing video of the Botanical Dream Box. I really hope you like watching the video and I hope to see you in the next video. Welcome at the unboxing video of the Botanical Dream Box. This is the first box of Planything that was available in May 2020. Because I just started the YouTube channel, I want to add all the boxes we had in the past, so that's why I'm also showing you this box. With every box there is a card with the name on it and the theme and what's in here. In this box are 6 A6 sticker sheets, 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets, and 4 washi tapes, 1 sticky notes, 1 pouch, 1 felt clip and 1 pen. And I'm going to show you what is in here. The box is shipped in this cute little bag. This is the cute pouch. All the washi tapes have the Planything sticker on it. These are the 4 washi tape that are in here. I think they're really cute. I added this cute washi tape with the stripes because I wanted to have a washi tape that has all the colors of all the box together. Because all the prints that I've used are coming back in a lot of products. So this is the first washi tape. I'm really in love with this one too. This is the one with the stripes. And with the flowers. Then this pen is also in there. I think he really writes smooth in my planner. I really love the glittery in here. You can do it like this and then you can write with it. It also says Planything in here. I really like this one. This kind of pen is definitely coming back in future boxes. Then of course you can write the pen to write on the sticky notes. And this is a cute felt clip that you can use in your planner as a bookmark or just as decoration for your pictures. I think it's really soft. Then I'm going to show you the stickers. I really like them. These small stickers are really nice to use as decoration. These stickers can be used as with and without the white background. You can use them like this or use them like this. So you can choose by yourself how you want to use them in your planner. And of course some borders you can use. Some cute flags with to do, yay, sweet, joy, fun, smile, love, good vibes. And some really small washi tape stickers. And as you can see, all the prints from all the products of the washi tapes, of the paper, the stickers, everything is matching together. These are really cute. These are the circles. I really like these boxes. I'm really using them a lot in my planner. And as final, stickers with the text on it. For example, ready for the weekend, best weekend ever. let's party, make today great, happy moments, joy, awesome. Just you can use it for anything. Then I'm going to show you the scrap paper, the double-sided. It's double-sided. The stripes are coming back again here. This one you can really use, for example, as a dashboard and write the month name here, or you can use it for memory keeping with pictures. And then the final product is the pouch. I think he's really cute. He's also pretty big. I even saw someone putting their mini happy planner in here, so you can even use it as a pouch for your planner. It's really big and it's really cute. And you can, of course, add the washi in here, the washies, the pen, the sticky notes, and even the stickers will fit in here. So it really is a big bag. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And I hope to see you in the next video.